Recording as well. What's your name and badge number?
Hi.
Hi.
How come you're recording me?
Oh, I'm having some issues with police not wanting to do statutory duty, basically. So can I get your name and badge number?
Well, it's J Lair 007.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, where did this happen at?
Various different places, but in Sacramento County.
In Sacramento County?
Yeah.
Okay. And what kind of crime is it?
Well, I have a few of them, actually. I have a conspiracy, perjury, harassment, false police reports were put in, so lots of different things.
Okay.
I have all the evidence for this fun stuff.
Okay. Well, there's a few ways that you can do reports. Sounds like probably calling our dispatch. is the
I've called
best way.
dispatch.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's no fun. I need to file a police report right here in person.
We don't do that here.
Okay, so I need to file, what can I do here then?
You can, if you want to make a citizen's complaint against some of our officers, you can do that here.
Great, let's do that then.
Okay. We're being recorded. No. Okay. All right, so how this works is you fill this out and then you return that to us. I sign it and you get a copy of it and then we turn it in to our internal affairs. Okay?
Okay, now I have, my daughter's been basically abducted via the court system. I have all the evidence for this, including the judges that are involved, including clerks, lawyers, all the fun stuff. Okay? I have literally not seen my daughter in 4 months because of this criminality. Okay? Now, I need to figure that out. So you guys are sheriffs, right?
No, I'm a sheriff's security officer.
Okay, can I speak to an actual police officer or your supervisor then?
They're not here. They're not at this location. They're not.
You don't have a higher up here?
Not at this location, no.
Okay, so you're top dog here is what you're saying.
I know, I'm just saying that my supervisor is not here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, right now, I have not seen my daughter in 4 months. I have all the evidence necessary to arrest certain individuals. Now, police aren't wanting to take that information, including the ones I'm going to have to put for this. I need to speak to a detective or somebody to go out and actually talk to these individuals to research this.
Okay. Well, we can get our sergeant to come here.
No, I need somebody out to actually conduct a little investigation. Because my daughter's literally been abducted.
Okay. And you've called 911?
I've called 911 various times.
Okay.
And I have all the information needed to lead to the arrest. One of the individuals is very politically connected. His name's Sidney Keith Nelson. I have evidence that would lead to his arrest as well. I have evidence of other officers not upholding their statutory duty.
Sidney Keith Nelson?
That's right.
And who does he work for? You know?
He works for himself.
Okay.
So I need somebody to go out and interview some people.
Okay.
This will take less than a couple hours to get this solved. Because as of right now, I have not seen my daughter in 4 months. I also would like to see her today, against a court order.
So there's a court order not to see her?
There is a court order that is actually fraudulent. I have evidence that would lead to the arrest of the judges as well.
Okay.
I mean, this is getting beyond ridiculous. They literally had a trial and hid it from me. That's how criminal this is becoming.
Here is your ID back. Okay, well, this is just the Sheriff's Administration building. This is,
Okay, who do I need to talk to? Because this ends today.
yeah.
Yeah, this ends today.
Yeah, that's patrol.
Okay, give me a patrol officer then.
Yeah, you talk to dispatch.
I already talked to dispatch. I've had parole officers come out. They've done absolutely nothing. This literally would take less than a couple hours to resolve.
Yeah.
Now, I'll tell you what, how about I go see my daughter right now at school, and then we can have a police officer arrest me then, because that's the situation I'm in right now.
Okay, well.
But I have evidence to show that
Yeah.
this is all erroneous.
Talk to patrol, so So you need to go out to a
I'd
patrol.
like to.
You want me to go chase down a parole officer?
Patrol.
A patrol officer?
No, I don't want you to chase anybody down.
Oh, good.
I don't want you to do anything rash.
Okay.
I don't want you to hurt anybody.
I'm not saying I'm going to hurt anybody.
Okay?
And then what?
What you
I was
need to
saying
do-
that you said I need to go out and find a patrol officer. Well, I'm not going to go out and find a patrol
Would you
officer.
like me to tell you where to get a patrol officer?
I would like to speak to somebody that's willing to go out and at least talk to a couple individuals about this
The
situation.
number that they gave.
Say again?
How do I go about getting that?
Okay, go to 7,065th
Sorry, it's
Street.
16-63315.
Looks pretty clear to me.
My handwriting
Okay.
can be very messy. I wrote everything.
They had a
down.
fallen
I was
officer
like,
recently.
something
Yeah.
like this.
Alright,
They had a
7,065th.
fallen officer recently.
And that is our patrol.
He's
And I'll
got
give you their
a black
phone
band
number
across his
too.
badge.
So you're not a sworn officer?
No, sir, I'm not.
Okay, that is a problem.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying, this isn't the right place. Making sure you have the zip code, so in case you need to Google it. Here's their phone number.
There you go. If you just fill out your name, your address, and your phone number there.
Alright, this is South Patrol. Okay, so sir, this is our South Patrol. There you go. And that is where you need to go.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right, I am audio recording. What is your name and badge number, sir?
Officer Proctor 087.
Thank you for that. I was told from people on 9th Street, this is 7,065th Street, is this correct?
That's correct.
Okay, I was told there's going to be sworn police officers here.
No, but you can have one come here and talk to you if you like. You just have to call our comm center and have them dispatched for you.
Where is a place that I can go and actually talk to a sworn police officer?
I'm not sure if we have any in the building because they come in here, they change their clothes, and they go out in the street. So usually you have to have them dispatched, and they'd be happy to meet you here if you like or wherever you like.
That's fine. Let's have one meet me here then.
Sure, I'll give you the number. Just call this number and hit 0, and they'll be happy to have one come down here and meet you.
Great. Now, are there detectives that actually work in this area? Or?
No, the detectives are out on Orange Avenue, out by American River College.
Orange Avenue.
Yeah.
You mean like the FBI's over there?
Yep, right over in that direction. I'll give you the address if you like.
That'd be great, actually.
Sure, let me go
So I can just stop right in there and there's sworn police officers there then?
That's correct.
Well, that seems like it'd work for me. And then I can hit the FBI right after.
There you go. All right, let me look that up for you here.
So the lady lied to me over at 9th Street. She said there would be sworn police officers here. Boy, that's not the, no, that's what I'm not asking you, I'm telling you. That's not the first time I've got that lies documented. And they're open to the public over there? I'm not going to get there and it's going to be locked doors or anything?
That's correct, and I'll show you the paper here. It says public hours and everything, and they should be up until 4 o'clock.
I do appreciate that.
Excuse my printer, but it says 10 to 4, Monday through Friday, public hours, and it's let me get the first character for you.
Thank you.
$4510 Orange Grove Avenue, and they're open to the
Perfect.
public from 10 to 4.
Yeah, I've been to the
Monday
FBI station. Thank you for your professionality. I appreciate it. Hello, are you an officer?
No,
I will be audio recording just so you know. I need to speak to a police officer.
regarding,
Child abduction, conspiracy, perjury, harassment, you name it. I'm not kidding.
did you have an appointment?
No.
Did you want to make a report
Sure.
on which violation?
All of them.
Okay, you need to pick one because they're all separate violations.
Why don't we do 10 different reports then?
We don't do reports here.
Okay, I need to speak to a detective or a police officer
Regarding,
regarding investigating this. My child has literally been abducted.
Oh, your child. So child.
That's one part.
Okay, so that's child abuse down there. Do you see her sitting down there?
Child abuse?
Yes.
I said abduction.
Child abduction.
Yeah.
How old is the child?
6. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Are you a police officer?
Yep,
A
sure
sworn
am.
officer? Great. What's your name and badge number?
Kirby,
Badge number, sir?
1228.
Thank you. You as well.
Dunbar, 2210.
Thank you. Really appreciate it.
Do you have some ID with you?
Yeah, I'll get to that in 1 second. Now, I have a huge situation here where basically my child's been abducted via the family court system. I have all the evidence for this that would lead to the arrest of various different people, including Sidney Keith Nelson, Judge Winn, various clerks. I have audio recordings of that as well. So I need to get this resolved today. I have not seen my child in over 4 months because of this, and I have all the evidence in the world. I'm not kidding.
Okay, I don't understand. Is that there's a court order?
There is a court order, but it's not valid.
Why is it not valid?
Because I have evidence that they actually concealed a trial from me because they wanted to withhold me doing discovery into Sidney Keith Nelson's
Your
fraud.
with the court, not with us.
Oh, no, this is a criminal matter at this point. I cannot go back to family court. I've been through 3 different lawyers to do depositions, and they're refusing to do it. So whether we want to pick
Who's
perjury,
refusing to
the lawyers are.
Have you hired your own attorney?
I've hired 3 different attorneys that have refused to do
And they
one
have not-
simple
hold on,
deposition.
hold on. I want to be able to make sure that I understand what you're talking about.
Okay.
Okay, is so that you hired your own attorneys, right?
Yep.
And 3 of them have told you that they cannot help you.
With doing depositions, that's correct.
Okay, so now the child that you just one?
One child.
Okay, so how old is that child?
6.
6 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you haven't seen him for how long?
I haven't seen her for 4 months.
Okay, is there a restraining order against you? Or anything?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Even
You
in the
have ID on you, you said?
I'm not done. Even in the
No,
report,
hold on. Do you have ID on you?
I do. In the
Okay, let me see your ID.
have I committed a crime?
No, I'm.
Are you
asking-
taking a police report?
No,
Look, I'm done. I've
Listen
4
to me.
months I haven't seen my
Listen,
kid.
You're not listening to me.
Go ahead.
You're not listening to me.
Go ahead.
Give me your ID. I will run you to see if there is a restraining order.
There is
or
not.
Any of that information, and if there's a restraining order on there, then we can tell you that there's a restraining order, and that's why you're not able to see your child.
Well, I'm telling you right now, there is no restraining order.
Okay, well, I'm trying to verify that
Okay,
information.
that's fine. You'll
So
have
do
to
you
take my word
ID
for
on
it.
you or not have ID on
I
you?
do have my ID
Okay,
on
let
me.
see your ID then.
I refuse to identify. I have not committed a
Hey,
crime.
We're all done, guy.
Then
You're
we're
out.
done.
I'm out for what? Because I refuse to.
You're
Well,
not-
I'm
we
trying
don't
to
know-
help you.
we
Am
don't
I
know who
obligated?
we're talking to.
Am I
We don't
obligated to
know-
give ID?
We can't look up any of the court cases. We can't help you if you don't give us the information.
I can tell you exactly who you need to talk to. Go talk to Pamela Castro at Sierra
I'm talking to
Vista.
you right now. And if you
There is
wanna
a
provide your
conspiracy.
identification
Okay,
and
so what do
wanna
you-
be
all right.
cooperative, then we're all done.
All right, let me ask you then. If I give you ID, you're going to actually investigate
I'm gonna go in
this.
there and I'm gonna run you. I'm gonna look at the court cases under your name, and I'm gonna
Okay.
investigate that part of it to see what's going on.
What does
Until
that
I can
mean?
do that-
No. If you can tell me, you actually will go and take 1 hour and go talk to some people at Sierra Vista Hospital that are accessories after the fact for this crime.
They're not gonna talk to me.
Okay, if you can go talk
If
to
there's some kind of name that I can call, I'll try and call them and see what it is.
Pamela Castro, she's an accessory after the fact. You can go talk to Sidney Keith Nelson, ask him if he had a personal and professional relationship with my ex-wife before he did a 730 evaluation for a court document that he actually perjured himself. I have 2 witnesses that are willing to testify that he perjured himself. I mean, this is beyond ridiculous how big this conspiracy is. This guy's so politically connected. He's been over 40 years inside Sacramento working with police and judges, and he's untouchable. I've literally been to the Board of Psychology. They have not investigated this, contrary to their standard operating procedure where I'm supposed to talk to an investigator right away for any kind of serious crime. So they're accessories after the fact as well.
Sounds like a federal matter to me.
I've been to the FBI.
Okay. What'd they tell you?
The last thing they told me is to request a subpoena. They literally had a trial at the family court without telling me. I have 2 audio recordings of clerks online. They did not put up the documentation. There was a trial. They told me to get a subpoena for the people who attended that trial. And then somebody actually put in a chemistry.com dating website thing with my name or with my email and put inappropriate material in there. I did a subpoena for that to find out who the IP was for the person who actually submitted that. I've got the subpoena.
Come back to it.
It came back absolutely blank. I have it in the car. It's all whited out, and I have not received the response to the subpoena from the family court. They simply cannot send that subpoena because then it will prove that they actually had a trial without me. I'm not kidding. I have all the evidence for this.
Well, I can look up your name and see if you're on any court calendar.
Court calendar for family court?
Yeah.
What does that mean? It's not on there.
See if there was
I have the
a actual
screenshots.
case.
I have the screenshots. They didn't put it on there. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's how criminal this is.
Well, there has to be a record, a court record, if
Yeah.
there was an actual court case.
I asked my lawyer.
I can look up the court case.
I fought. It's not on there. Trust me. They hid it.
We can't because we have no idea who you are. None.
They hid it.
Nada.
Yeah.
Zero.
Okay. So I have
You wanna give me your
evidence.
ID? I'll go in.
I have evidence that will to lead to the arrest of Sidney
I don't
Keith Nelson
care
and
about
various
any of
different
that right
things.
now. None of that now makes any difference. If you want us to help you,
You-
first step, you're gonna have to
You
be sure
told
who
me
you are. So,
you need
do wanna
you need my
identify
ID.
yourself? Do you want to identify
Let
yourself
me
with your
finish.
ID?
You told
Yes
me
or no?
that was
No,
just
no,
for the restraining
no,
order.
no,
I
we're
do
gonna
not have a
stop right
restraining
here. We're
order.
gonna stop one step at a time.
Okay.
And this is the first step. Your first step is who you are, right?
I gave you a contingency on that, didn't I?
Right?
Now,
No,
if
no, no,
if
no.
you're
Let's
willing to
see.
investigate,
No,
I'll
no,
ID.
No, we are.
If
we
you're
are
willing to
gonna start our
investigate,
investigation
I'll ID.
at step one. Step one is who you are.
Okay, so you're going to tell me you'll investigate this then?
I just told you.
If I-
One step. And if we get to one step that says restraining order, you are not to be around these people.
None of that's
game's
there.
over.
None of that's there.
Okay, let's have your ID then.
That you didn't answer my question.
Okay, then I'm done.
So you will investigate then if I give you my ID?
I can't do anything until you tell me who you are, so.
Well, I have the name of the culprits and all the
To
evidence.
second step, if I can't even go one step with you without you refusing.
Because I'm sick of this. I haven't seen my daughter in 4 months.
There's the door.
So I have evidence that will lead to the arrest of Sidney Keith
Here's where we're
Nelson.
at. I'm giving you verbal that you're trespassing on county property right now.
Okay.
If you refuse to leave, I'm going to issue a citation. If you do still refuse to leave, you're going to get arrested. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I get you. So I'm leaving right now then.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
at this point, I've already told you I have evidence for Sidney Keith Nelson's arrest and you guys are refusing to.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Perfect.
Let us know who you are, we will help you.
You told me that you wanted it for a restraining order. I told you I don't have one. Peace. I was a restroom, where would I be? Thank you. This call's not in place, is it? Yeah, my child's been abducted, and no one's helping me to get her back. Well, I'm right next to the FBI station right now, about to go in there. Well, as soon as I'm done with the FBI, I guess I'll talk to an officer, yeah. Okay? Yeah, I'm in here.
We're gonna detain you for jaywalking?
I knew that was happening too.
You knew that was happening?
Petty.
Well, we gotta figure out what's going on with you.
Can you record this, please? Break out your phone and record it.
Alright, come on. You already have a recorder.
No, I want a video recording.
Okay.
This is harassment. They're actually arresting me for jaywalking. You believe that?
No, we're detaining you for jaywalking.
Yeah. Okay.
Which we have a legal right to do.
Sure. If you want to be petty. Can someone please record this?
Good, we're gonna go right to our car.
You don't like people asserting their rights, huh?
Alright, spread your feet for me.
Sir,
Anything illegal?
can you please record this interaction?
I don't think he wants to get involved.
Yeah, unfortunately. Nation of sheep.
Okay. Go ahead and hop in our car, please.
Good job, officer.
Have a good one. Thank you.
What's your last name?
I don't answer questions.
All right, then I'll check your wallet. Louis Hoff, Hoff, Luis. Or Michael Hoff.
I don't consent to any searches either. You're searching my property.
Well, you don't need to consent to search. I need to check for your ID, which I have
Are
a
you
legal
writing me
right.
a ticket?
Yes, I will be.
Great, I'll give you my information just for that. Do not search
Great.
my documentation.
You
please.
have no right to deny me your ID since you would not provide your ID. Do you understand?
Well, you're searching my other stuff, and there I saw that. My audience is still going, I hope.
I have no idea, sir.
I'd be restricting my First Amendment right if you were to stop it.
Didn't stop it, didn't start it.
Good.
Did nothing to it.
Let me make sure 452 is advised of presenting welfare check, please. That works. 452. Go ahead, 452.
Unknown to keep you.
Could you please not search my stuff, please?
I'm not searching your stuff.
You just went through my wallet.
I did not go through your
I
wallet.
just saw you.
You're incorrect. Okay.
Audio recording at this point.
You what?
I'm audio recording?
Your audio recording?
Yeah. What's up, buddy?
Okay, so based on those statements that
What
were
statements?
the statements that were made to the
I would like
officers.
to hear the statements, the accusations.
Okay, so I'm here
Okay.
to let you know that you are placed on a 5150 hold. Okay?
That I knew. Okay.
So pursuant to Penal Code to Welfare and Institution Code 8102,
Okay.
we are going to seize the firearms that are registered to you to place them in safekeeping.
Okay.
Okay? Those, you will be provided with receipts.
Okay. How are you going to get said firearms?
We're going to write a search warrant into the house where you're at to obtain those
I don't
firearms.
consent to any search warrants.
You don't have to consent.
I understand that. That's where the problem is. Now, why am I being 5150?
Did the officers not explain to you why you were placed on the hold?
I would like to know.
Okay.
I didn't do anything.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Yeah, that'd be great. If you have documentation, that'd be great too. What's up, man? Can I get your name and badge number, please? I've been harassed all day, man.
Okay. Well,
What's
I'll
up?
tell you the reason why I pulled you over.
Sure.
Right? You didn't stop at that stop sign
Okay.
before you turn around in the middle,
Oh, okay.
in the middle of the block, okay? Just so we're clear.
Okay, thank you.
I want you to understand why I tell everyone why I pulled people over.
I appreciate
okay?
that.
So, do you have your driver's license on you, please?
Sure, can I get your name and badge number?
Yes, Deputy Dioglu with the Sheriff's Department,
Oh, good.
1487.
Good. What do you need? Driver's license and registration?
Driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, please. How come you didn't stop at the stop sign?
I don't even know that I didn't stop. I thought I did.
Let's see here.
You don't need insurance?
I do. The registration insurance.
Yeah, I was literally harassed by cops yesterday
About what?
for a jaywalk. I was 5150 and they took my fucking guns. So excuse me if I'm a little pissed off.
Okay.
I mean, this is ridiculous. Over freaking jaywalking, dude.
Alright. Alright, just hang tight for me, okay? Thank you.
I appreciate it. Hey, guess what I'm doing right now? I'm getting pulled over for running a stop sign, quote unquote. I'm not fucking kidding, dude. Not fucking kidding. Not kidding. I am. He doesn't seem like a dick. Seems like a nice guy. Really? Really? I know. I fucking had it. It could be, man. Who knows? At this point, though, I think coincidences aren't coincidences. But, yeah, he's not being a dick or anything, so that's good. Unfucking believable. This is literally the worst year of my life, man. Literally the worst year of my life. I just want to see my daughter for 5 minutes, man. That's all I want. 5 fucking minutes. Incredible. Yep. Probably. I'm sure it's there. Well, there was no police report that I know of. There was an event report or something. I didn't even get a ticket. They just used the jaywalking to basically get me in the car, run my information. That's what they used it for. And then once they have that, they see registered guns. They're like, oh, we're going to go ahead and 5150 you and take your shit. That's California, man. They can see all that shit. And they had that new law that started at the beginning of the year where if you, the cop or a family member can just say, hey, I think he's not safe. And boom, your guns are gone. You have to go see a therapist, and then you have to go see a judge to get them back for nothing. Just somebody saying, hey, I think that, blah, blah, blah. It's fucking nuts, dude. That's awesome. That's constitutional carry, man. That's how it's supposed to be. That's what the Constitution says, man. Well, I tell you what, man. The Democrats are trying to do exactly what they have now here, what I'm talking about. Like, anybody can report you and your guns are gone. They're trying to do that nationwide. Oh, don't tell me that's another cop. Oh, it is another fucking cop. Oh my god, dude. Another fucking cop. And he's fucking ripping through. I'm gonna call 911, dude. I'm a little scared. Yeah, I've got 2 cops behind me. I'm a little bit nervous about it. One guy just ripped through the neighborhood and
How you doing, sir? Can you place your cell phone on the dash? You're free to record. Go ahead and place it up there. You're detained for a vehicle stop. Can you cut off communication for me, please?
Okay, I'm on the phone call with 911.
Okay, I need you to hang that up. We are the police with you.
Okay, so, I'm not sure what this guy wants, but I was pulled over for a stop sign, and I'm a little nervous. What's up, buddy?
Just gonna sit here and watch you until my partner comes back and advise you the rest of the stuff. Where are you headed to?
Home.
Okay. Where do you live?
Right around the street.
What's the address?
2557 Permit Way.
Okay. Where were you coming from?
McDonald's.
What's that?
McDonald's.
Did you already get your food?
Yeah.
Cool. What did you order from there?
Double quarter pounder with cheese, small fry, and water.
Okay. So your cooperation will get you out of here just a little bit sooner, so you just hang out here, just do what we're saying. And
the other guy was real nice, man.
Okay.
I'm not being a jerk or anything.
Were you insinuating that I wasn't?
You're a little more aggressive. I'll give you that. I'd say you're a little more aggressive than he was. He was really cool.
Okay.
So yeah, I got no problems.
So how come you were on the phone with 911?
Because you were ripping through the neighborhood, and that's kind of made me nervous.
Okay.
I mean, you see, you were blazing, so I was like, oh, this is an aggressive person.
Aggressive person?
The way you blew through like that? Yeah, that's just how I saw it.
Are you in fear for your safety right now?
Not at the moment, no, I don't think
You
so.
still have audio, video recording. You still have 911.
Well, I don't have video recording because you told me to place my phone down.
Yeah, we just want to see your hands and make sure that everything's okay. No any weapons in the vehicle, nothing like that?
Nope.
Would you mind if we searched your vehicle?
No, I do not authorize any searches.
Okay, I got you. Where are you working at, sir?
Do I have to answer that question?
You don't.
Okay. I'd prefer to stay here silently then.
Okay. Is anybody else at home with you?
I prefer not to answer any more questions, sir, if that's okay.
Yeah. Name, by the way. You have a 911 call with our subject. So you're gonna phone us. If not, it may be THC, your device, and they can hang up. I think the pistol going on the dash, I can hear them in the background. What's up? Okay.
Mr. Hall, here's all your stuff back. Okay? Thank you. Alright. You have a good one, okay? Appreciate it. Don't run any stop signs anymore. Alright? Alright, man. Have a good one. I'm free to go. Yeah, I'm here. He made me drop all my communication devices. He told me to drop it, and I don't know what to do. I don't remember, honestly. Okay. Yeah. Well, just the way he was blazing through it, it made me really nervous. There's no reason he... Thank you. I appreciate you saying that. I've been harassed yesterday for freaking jaywalking. It's unbelievable what's happening to me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Bye. Five freaking cop cars. Alright, here is the search warrant that was left in my room. There is the staple. The back side of it. There's a staple as well. Not tampered with. This is a page. Let's see if we can get a focus on this. 1 of 10. Search warrant. State of California. This is a search warrant and affidavit. Affidavit is a sworn statement. Admissible in court. Right, so we got page 1. Page 2, right here. Page 2. Page 3. Wow. Yeah, it looks like there's a, basically, get a focus. Focus. Come on. There we go, 3 of 10. Alright, so, that's it. Intact staple, not tampered with. The original staple. Okay, so page 1 of 10, right? Okay, so the search warrant's here, but there's no affidavit. And the reason there's no affidavit is because nobody can claim that I was 5150 for any reason. I made no threats, nothing. So I wasn't acting erratically or anything. All that's on video. Here is the firearms they took. Isn't that nice? Okay. So there was no affidavit, and there's a reason there's no affidavit, because when the truth isn't on your side, this is what happens. They're going to think something up, or they're going to freaking shoot me. I really don't know. But at this point, I'm not rolling anything out. To put 1 of 10 and leave only 3 pages, yeah, that's because this is just a search warrant. They're stuck. They can't actually put an affidavit because it's going to be a lie, because I have the videos. Now, the only other option they have is to get rid of those videos, and I'm pretty sure they're trying to figure that out right now. But of course, they frame me for fucking whatever this is, being 5150 for nothing, and God knows what they've already tried to 5150 me 2 other times. I have videos of that. The cops came to my house, claiming I made threats. Never made a threat. Period. End of story. So, this is the kind of shit we're dealing with when you deal with the state. Lies upon lies upon lies. Well, what can you do? What do you do when you reach the top? When you've gone to the FBI, you've gone to the police, and it seems they just want to pile on top of you. You have all the evidence in the world that misconduct, criminal activities going on. But no one's willing to do anything. And that's the state of affairs this world is in today.